welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and this is the look I'm doing today. So I'm doing a blue look. It has some purple in it, so like a blue purple look. And we're using this Beauty Bay Midnight palette. I have had this for a while, so I wanted to go ahead and finally try it out because I haven't used it yet. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. All right, so I did mix a few colors and you'll have to stay tuned and keep on watching to see what colors I use to get this look. Let's go on into the look. So I know that I want to definitely do blue. I don't know if I'm going to end up dipping into the purple. So I'm just going to start off with the blue first in my crease. And let's see, I think the blue I'm going to go in with, I want it to be deep. So I might try this denim blue right here, and then if I need to deepen it up some more, I might go into Twilight, or maybe I might go purple to blue. Or maybe, okay, I think I'm just gonna do blue. And I have another palette I wanna use and that has blues and purples in it also, so I might end up doing another look with that, but let me just start with denim. I will take this into my crease. I'm gonna just tap it on. And I did put tape on because I haven't used tape in a while and I kind of want this look to be precise. Okay, so I've kind of stamped that in. I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay. This denim color is actually blue enough. It's already pretty deep. But I still might go into the other color. I like that. All right, and I'm just gonna use the color switcher that I got from, I think it was Marshall's. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just this to clean off that so I can dip into another color. I actually may take, okay, I'm actually gonna take a smaller, a little bit thinner brush and dip into Midnight, which is this very deep blue. I thought I was gonna go into Twilight, but I'm gonna actually go into Midnight and take that into my crease. And this is a very deep blue as well. Now I'm gonna actually go into, I wanna go into purple, and we're gonna go into, I think I wanna go into this purple, and I might go into another lighter shade of purple, but I'm gonna start out with this velvet purple right here. Kind of looks like a pinky purple if you're looking, when I'm looking in the camera. Okay, I'm just taking this to blend the outer edge where I have denim. All right, and before I move on, I'm gonna go back into denim really quick and just place that here to blend in some more with that velvet color purple. All right, and I do want to go in with another purple. I think I'm going to take, do I want to go in with another purple? I don't know. Actually, okay, I'm going to go in with this purple here. It is called 1993. This one right here. It's just a lighter purple. And I only want to blend that here. All right. And before I do anything else, I'm going to actually cut my crease and then I'll be right back. My crease is cut. I took it all the way back because I want the color on my lid to go all the way back right there to cut off like the deepness in my crease. And I want to keep the color on my lid light. So I'm thinking I'm going to go into this color, Mist. Now this is a matte color right here, and normally I like to put a shimmer on my lid, so I was looking at this. I actually like this even lighter blue. It's a very light blue. Looks kind of a gray blue. I'm gonna try to put this first, and I might go into that, but I'm gonna see how this looks first. And I don't know if I'm gonna do a shimmer on my lid. I might just keep it matte. Okay. All right, and I'm just pressing it in. Okay, now that that first color foam is pressed in, I think what I'm gonna do, and I keep changing my mind as I'm doing things, but that's the beauty of makeup, is to do your own thing. I'm gonna go into Mist, which was the first blue I thought I was gonna go into, and I'm going to press that in. And I'm just taking that on the rest of my lid and then going all the way out. So that it kind of is like an ombre. Trying to think if I should add another color in here, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this and then just do my eyeliner, rest of my face, and come back. So that way you can see how it looks, the total complete look. Okay, so for my lips, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna probably do just a nude lip, nothing too major because of my eyes. So I'll be right back after I finish the rest of my face and my eyes. We are back and my face is completed. For my lip, I used the ColourPop Lippy and Cookie, and I already did my waterline with this ColourPop gel liner in the color Piggy Bank. So it's just this purple color, similar to the purple that I blended out the color Denim with in my crease. And now we're going to go into this color here, which is called Rich. It's this purple color here, so I can go ahead and do my lower lash line and complete that. And then of course, after this, I just need to do my inner corner. All right, there is a black in this palette. It's called Hex. It's right here. This blue to me looks darker than this black, but I'm gonna actually take the black and just go in this outer corner right here, just to deepen this up only. And I'll just blend this with this purple, but I'm not taking it all the way forward. I'm just taking it part way. It actually goes on really well, so it seems like a decent black. All right, let's do our inner corner. And for the inner corner, we have some shimmers in here. I think I'm gonna take this one. It's called Gleam. It's just a very light lavender purple looking shimmer. And I'm gonna take that on my inner corner. I have not wet this brush. I'm just going to see. Okay, let me try to wet the brush. Okay, I want to try to take a highlighter over it. So I have this Glam Light Scooby-Doo highlighter here. And I'm going to take the top one, which is more, I think it's the purpley highlighter shade. And I'm just putting that over top. Okay, just to give it that extra brightness. And this is the completed look using the Beauty Bay Midnight Palette. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.